Welcome back to the another tutorial. In this tutorial we will learn how to render things based on the result of condition. Okay, so in this tutorial we will learn exactly, I will show that. I wrote it, and at first what is conditional rendering. Okay, then the be if and directive, the be else if render, okay, directive, and break in the conditional block, and the be else if fallback directive, and nested template element, be if, and obviously that's it, and this is the similar. Okay, so just now I'm going to create this be if function, and at first let me discuss about what is conditional rendering. So if you want to like this tutorial, then obviously subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, so let me discuss about what is conditional rendering. Okay, so when building the application, you will often have to show or hide HTML elements based on the certain condition. Okay, so view gives us the following directives to make it easy and to conditional to render. This is the fourth element, render elements. Okay, so that's it. And conditional rendering directives accept the JavaScript expression, the return true or false as their value, and view will the render and or not render the element based on the output of the evaluation. Okay, so I hope you will understand this, what is exactly what is conditional rendering. So simply in this tutorial, just I will finish this. Exactly, this tutorial is just theoretically for that, and I hope you will enjoy this tutorial, and thanks for watching.